Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to transfer data from Android to laptop by nearby share. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Please note that if you don't currently have Google Nearby Share, you can find a link in the description below for downloading it. This will enable you to efficiently share files across your various devices. Once you've completed the downloaded, let's proceed to the next step. To transfer data from your Android device to a laptop using Nearby Share by Google, you can follow these steps. Step 1. On your Android device, go to Settings, look for Google and select it. Tap on Device and Sharing or a similar option. Choose Nearby Share or a similar feature. Toggle on Nearby Share. Step 2. Now, for example, let's go to the Gallery app. Choose the file or content you want to share. This could be a photo, video, document, or any other compatible file. Step 3. Tap the share icon for the selected file. Look for and select Nearby Share as the sharing method. Your Android device will search for nearby devices with Nearby Share enabled. A notification will appear on your laptop when your Android device is detected. Accept the incoming file. Step 5. Confirm the file transfer on both devices. Step 6. Once confirmed, the file transfer will begin and you'll receive a notification when it's complete. By following these steps, you can easily transfer data from your Android device to your laptop using Google's Nearby Share feature. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.